Okay, but I've overloaded this today. I put double the amount of powder in both compartments. Pre-fill and normal one. Don't forget to subscribe. I put about 150ml of powder in today. I think there's going to be a lot of suds locks as well. Hardly see the drum. Look at that. Look at that. Pushing against the door. Bloody hell. That was cool, that. I'm getting a 10kg washer next. Oh, 2. Look, it's pushing against the door there a bit. I know it's a 7 kilogram wash, and I reckon there's at least 8.5 to 9 kilograms in this today. Choo-choo. And that's the first fill. You can hardly see the top of the drum there. It's that big. That overloaded a bit. Just a bit now. It's chopped a bit. I think this is the biggest load I've ever done. Another fill. Come on, washer. This is a long startup today. Don't forget to subscribe. I've got a Beko washer coming next, later in the year, hopefully, if I move, if I can find another house. Because this is crap, this washer, and there's no point in getting another one here, because my washer's upstairs. There's no point in dragging another washer up the stairs and then having a month or two down the line having to bring it back down again. Might as well just leave it now till I move. And I really want to wash the machine in my kitchen as well, so it'll be much easier, especially for filming. I'm looking forward to getting a Beko, you know. I know I've watched loads of videos on YouTube of a Beko and they're really impressive. Wash actions are amazing. Heater's just clicked on, I think. Can hardly see the drum now. Just a bit. The clothes have dropped a bit. "59 minutes. Look at that. I like it when they push against the window to close it. I think that's pretty cool. Do you know what I mean? You know what I mean? I think that's pretty cool when they push against a window like that. It might have a better chance of filling again in a minute, because it's done that. Still can't see the top of the drum bit. That's brilliant. Biggest overload this. Stress test. Stress test overload. Now 14 minutes. I think that was a very impressive startup. Main wash. Bit of a stress test here. It's overloaded. Okay, it's the stress test overload still. Hope you liked the other bits of videos so far that I've done already. And you know what? It's just going to be a big one on this first intermediate spin. Big suds lock. Is it going to get outbalanced somewhere down the line? This is big. I thought it would have done a bigger sud lock then, but it's not done. But never mind. Onto the first wins here of this massive overload. And do you know what? I can actually feel how heavy the washing is at the moment now. Quite deep. I think the rating of total is at least 10 kilograms. Look at that. Amazing. We're going to be coming to the second intermediate spin now. Let's see what it does. As you can see, it's quite foamy. I think this might be a bad sud slot now on this next spin. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm doing this all for you, these challenge videos. Good wash action, isn't it? I've used extra rinse as well today. So this is a big load. It's amazing, this wash action. Come on, drain. There we go. Let's see what this does now. Stay tuned and find out, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Excuse me. Look at that. Just gonna do a sudslock stopping in extra ends. Is it gonna cut out? Yeah. Additional winds. We're still on overload. It has done an additional emergency winds. Onto the normal winds now. Just see how high this winds level goes. Still filling here. Not bad winds level that. Struggling a bit. It's a bit out of balance as well. You can see it's fully overloaded. Still quite a lot of suds though. am impressed with this wash action today. Look at the bubbles there. That's quite a lot of foam today. Excuse me. I like it when it pops like that. It's pretty cool. Come on. There we go. What's it gonna do now? Is it gonna do another bad sort of lock or get out of balance and that? We'll soon find out. Ooh. Come on. Just catching on that little thing at the top, that little bit of a dip of the seal. I don't like it when it catches on there because it can ruin your clothes. Whoa, that's a big one. Big suds lock. Never actually seen it go all the way around the window before, but that's a bloody amazing. That's gone all the way around the window, that. I thought it would hit that colour catcher down to there. That was bloody cool. Do it again, do it again. Do it again. Look at that. My God. Let's get biggest suds lock ever. Subscribe. Oh my God, look at that. That's bloody cool. Suds lock on a full window. I don't think we've ever seen this on bloody YouTube before. Biggest suds lock on YouTube. This is bloody amazing. Well, blow that. That is the biggest suds lock you've ever seen on YouTube. I've never seen a video like this on YouTube before. That was bloody wicked. Bloody hell. I've never ever seen it do that, a washing machine do that before. Biggest suds lock ever. Biggest suds lock on YouTube. I think I should title this video and put it separate. Bloody hell. That was super duper funny. Oh my God. That was hilarious. Bloody hell. Subscribe. That was definitely the biggest episode slot I've seen. Biggest suds lock on YouTube. New trend. That was amazing. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Well, we're keeping with this video on one of the channels. I want to put in a video together, and this is going to be a separate video. So yeah, that was funny. Well, we're still on a massive overload after that world's biggest suds lock on YouTube. We went to the... I've lost count of the bloody rinses because of that excitement now. Bloody hell. That was exciting, that massive suds lock. If you saw that just now. Well, you did do on this video, but I was very impressed. World's biggest suds lock, that. At least it's cleaned my bloody full window, anyway. Look at me get excited. Let's see the... If you didn't already watch the previous video a few minutes ago, and that was we've just had the world's biggest suds lock on YouTube, definitely, by far. I've never seen a washing machine have a big suds lock like that before, other than mine. It's not gone all the way around the window this time. That's what you call a normal suds lock. Bloody hell. That was a normal suds lock, not an extreme one like the one before. Let's see if it does do an extreme one and it speeds up on this one. It's gonna be bloody hilarious if it does. Here we go again. I can't believe I got that last suds lock on video. That was absolutely amazing. What's it gonna do now? It's going up on the window there. Decent winds level. This is coming up to the end of the final winds now, coming to the spin. I really hope you've liked all these videos I've put together today, especially that massive Suds lock. The worst Suds lock on YouTube. I couldn't get over that. Absolutely amazing. Not seen anything like that before on YouTube. I think I'm the first person to upload a video like that. The water level's dropped quite a bit now. It being such a big load. Will we have the world's biggest water lock next? We'll soon find out. Stay tuned. This has been an extreme roller coaster of a video, I have to say. Bloody hell. I'm putting all these videos separate as well, in parts as well, but bloody hell. On this wash cycle, bloody hell. Best one ever. Not seen anything like this one before, bloody hell. I know I'm swearing mildly, but I just could not get over that bloody video. Bloody hell. It's been a bit of a roller coaster of a ride today on this washing machine, bloody hell. Let's see what it does now. It'll probably do another Suds-lock now, and I'll have to put on another bloody additional rinse. Bloody hell. And that looks out of balance, are we ready for a blow up now? Ready to end the bloody day. Bloody hell. It's just gonna blow up. That'll be a nice end to a wash cycle. Big Suds-lock. Massive ever Suds-lock I've seen. Then blowing up at the end. I hope you like my bloody thumbnail as well. I did that a bit an extreme one. Subscribe to this channel. We're coming to nearly the end of the video now after this rinse. What is it going to do? Is it finished yet? I do not know. We're on a water lock now. Just a bit. Oh, bloody hell. It's been a bit of a roller coaster of a journey on this wash cycle. You can tell I'm quite excited after all that entertainment. Watch it blow up now, that'd be a nice end to the day. Ready for it? Are you ready for the bloody Mexican wave now? Bloody hell. This has been one of the most extreme videos I've uploaded to this channel. Definitely subscribe. This has been one of the extreme videos. Although I'll be posting some of these separate, these videos as well, for people to catch up on. But yeah, it's been a bit of a roller coaster ride. I don't think it could reach its fastest spin then. I think that it just reached about 800. Well, I think that's all my videoing done for the day. Please like and subscribe. Oh, this has been one extreme roller coaster of a journey. I know I'm putting this video in parts, but I've got an end screen to this video, so go and check the end screen out. Click that video, you'll see the full wash cycle of this one then. So yeah, because these videos I'm going to put in parts because there's been some excitement. At least kind of have different chapters then to it. So yeah, so I'll see you in the next video. Check out the end screens as well.